99.
What are you doing, bro?
100. Oh boy, I'm preparing for my next unboxing. What is up guys, Vimal here. Today's video is going to be very exciting because I just got a special package from Sony. This came from the local warehouse near my home and I have like no clue what the brand has sent us. I mean, look at the packaging over here. It says my name at the top side and to the side it actually says 1000x M5. 1000x M5, I've already made a review on this like long back. I'm pretty sure this is not that. Sheetal, where's my knife? Hurry, I placed it here only. Found it. Okay, let's quickly open it and see what Sony has sent us. Oh, Sony has actually sent us some new mid-range Inzone gaming headphones. That too, 2 units, 2 different colors. So if you people remember, a couple of months ago, I've actually reviewed Sony's Inzone gaming lineup of headphones. Different models are there, H3, H7, H9. You'll find all these videos on our channel. And this is like a new addition to their Inzone gaming lineup. And this is like a mid-range variant, H5, and also packs like really good features. A lot of people keep looking to buy like premium quality wireless gaming headphones with reasonably good features at an affordable price. Now this video might be very useful for you. These Inzone H5 has like 360 spatial sound, also has like large 40mm drivers, and also comes with like a flip to a boom microphone. Lots of interesting features, plus they're cross-platform compatible. You can use it on your Windows PC, PS5. You can even use it in wired mode. We'll be talking about all of these features in this video. And before we get started, you people know the drill, right? If this video gets like good amount of likes, maybe around say 3000 likes, I will literally give this premium wireless gaming headset to a lucky subscriber on the channel. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to like, subscribe and click the notifications bell icon so you can stay up to date with all these notifications and channel updates. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Inzone H5 wireless gaming headset came in this sort of box packaging. Similar packaging just like its siblings H3, H7 or H9. If you look at the back side, you got plenty of details and highlights mentioned. We'll talk about all of that anyhow in the video. First, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. This headset is available in 2 different colors. You get white edition and black edition. I have the white edition in the house right now, and there you go. As soon as you open it, we actually have some accessories at the top side, which include some paperwork and some Inzone stickers as well. A 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable is there, plus a Type-C cable for charging. And there you go. This is the wireless dongle you get included in the package. 2.4 GHz wireless dongle that works on both PC and PS5. And finally, this is our brand new headset, guys. Inzone H5 from Sony. Oh wow, we'll just come back to the headset in a moment, and that is pretty much it. Looks like there's nothing else in the package. So as I've told you guys, we have the white edition of this brand new wireless gaming headset from the company, and my god, initial impressions, these headphones look beautiful, right? Look at the color scheme. Matches exactly like Sony's PlayStation 5. It has a fully flexible and ergonomic design. The cups over here swivel and can also be adjusted in all sorts of possible directions. And first thing you'll notice as soon as you pick it up is these wireless gaming headphones are actually quite lightweight compared to the H7 or H9. They weigh only around 260 grams. And talking about the build quality, good build quality. They might look plasticky in the video, but trust me, build quality is very good, feels solid and durable. Entire body is made of polycarbonate material with matte white finishing on the exteriors and matte black on the inside. And good thing is it doesn't seem to attract fingerprints as well. Over here you've got a wheel to adjust the volume, and going down there's a Type-C port to charge the built-in battery, plus a battery charging indicator is also there. A 3.5mm aux is also there, so yes, you can even use these headphones in wired mode as well, especially on Xbox or maybe like Nintendo Switch or even on your phone. And this one is your integrated bi-directional boom microphone that also has like a flip to up mute function added as well, though I believe this is non-detachable. And keeping that aside, if you go to the other ear cup, here also you do have some buttons which include a game and chat volume balance. You can easily adjust this as per your requirement and taste, and followed by a power button and a power status indicator. And here's a look at the interiors of the ear cups. You're getting 40mm large drivers, and quality of the ear pads is also nice. You're getting a soft nylon fabric sort of material covered ear pads with memory foam on the inside. Decent amount of cushioning on the head strap also. Central area of the frame is like super fluffy, and yes, the headband is also easily adjustable, so it fits almost all the head sizes, not to worry about that. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. I have been using Sony's all new Inzone H5 for almost 10 days now, and today in this video I will be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. I'm pretty sure you people have lots of questions regarding the latency and also audio performance, how is the 3D spatial sound and all of that, right? I'm pretty sure all of your questions will be answered in this video. Again, this is not the first time I'm actually testing out Sony's Inzone category gaming headphones. As you can see, I have almost entire collection over here guys. H3, H5, H7, H9. I have reviewed all of these on our channel almost like many months ago during the launch itself. So I'll definitely share my perspective compared to its siblings as well. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, let's talk about the comfort and ergonomics. As you can see, Sony's Inzone H5 has a very ergonomic design. In fact, it has an acoustically tuned frame. They fit very well over my head and feel quite comfortable guys. And main highlight is the newer H5 is only 260 grams and definitely makes a difference. It's also a bit compact in size and offer a snug fit. Do not fall off that easily. So definitely scores good, especially if you're doing like long periods of gaming session. Quality of the headband is also nice. I didn't feel any sort of stress or any sort of pressure on my head or even on the sides. It was like a very comfortable gaming headset. And now if you ask about the ear pads quality, so as I've told you during the unboxing itself, H5 comes with like a nylon fabric material ear pads and you're getting memory foam over here. Cushioning is very soft, squishy. And now you might even ask about the heat, right? So there's plenty of breathability over here, lots of air circulation happening, so very minimum heat produced even on longer periods of session. Now let me talk about the compatibility as well. As I've told you, first thing is these are wireless gaming headphones and they work via 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle. You're actually getting that tiny dongle now. It has a slide switch that lets you choose between Windows PC or PS5, and as I've told you, it's like a plug and play device guys. There's nothing you need to do. Simply slide the switch on respective platform, insert the dongle, and that's it. You're all set and good to go. Apart from this, yes, Sony does offer like a dedicated in-zone hub experience also on PC. We'll come there and talk about the software features in a moment. But again, not to forget, you can even use these headphones even on your phone also, but for that you'll need to use like a type A to type C adapter. That is how you'll be able to connect the dongle. I really wish these headphones had like Bluetooth compatibility also. That is the only thing I'm missing over here. But again, you people know, right? Sony wanted to keep like some sort of difference between the mid-range gaming model and also the premium H7 and H9. That's why they might have not included Bluetooth. So finally, moving on, let me share you my experience about the actual audio performance. First of all guys, Inzone H5 feature a premium 40mm neodymium drivers, and yes, they're closed dynamic type headphones and sit on top of your ear guys. So they cover your entire ear, so definitely has like good passive noise cancellation as well. No, they do not have active noise cancellation, so keep that point in mind. And if you talk about the audio experience, audio performance over here was like really good guys. Again, as I've told you, I have used a variety of gaming headphones including its premium H7, H9 also, and compared to them, for the price that you're paying, these H5 are offering like a really good quality sound. If you talk about the mids, it was producing crisp and clear mids, and all dialogues, either it be movies or even games, right? Everything was like clear, audible, and easily understandable. And talking about the treble, high frequency response is also nice. It has like frequency range from 5 Hz to all the way up to 20 kHz and was definitely producing good quality treble with minimum distortion. And talking about the bass was fine, decent experience, but still I felt bass could have been slightly better because I personally tested both the Inzone H7 and H9 also, right? They had a solid bass guys and I was like really impressed with them. Over here I felt it was lacking that impact, though it does offer some EQ customization using Sony's Inzone hub experience, but still overall low frequency response could have been slightly better. And sound stage was also really good, especially this is like very important for all the gamers. On top of that, not to forget, Inzone H5 also supports Sony's 360 spatial sound as well, which you can easily toggle using their Inzone hub. And once you do that, right, sound stage like greatly widens, and this helps a lot of gamers, especially if you're playing a lot of online related esport games, maybe like PUBG, BGMI, Fortnite. This will give you a lot more spatial awareness and easily helps you identify your enemy locations. I could easily hear all the footsteps from which directions they were coming, and overall spatial sound experience was really good on the Inzone H5. Overall minimal distortion also minimum even if you go up to like 90-95% volume level, and audio output are also loud and satisfactory. And not just gaming related content, I have also been using it for regular day-to-day YouTube videos, listening to music, and also watching some movies on Netflix and Prime Video. And usually when I'm watching these sort of content, I listen to that in stereo experience only. I usually turn off 360 spatial sound because personally I feel that music sounds better in stereo experience only, and gaming feels much more better in 360 spatial experience. I'm not sure about you people. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Let me also quickly show you the microphone quality. Inzone H5 features a bi-directional boom microphone that also comes with flip to mute function. And the audio that you're hearing right now is from the built-in microphone. What do you think about the sound quality? Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And as I've told you, if you want to mute the microphone, right, all you need to do is flip this down, and there you go, audio starts working again. And we are almost coming to an end, so let me share you my experience about the battery life. Sony actually hasn't specified anything about the built-in battery capacity, but on an average, you can expect around like 26 to 27 hours of battery life per charge when you're using these headphones around like 65-70% volume level, which is like ठीक I would say, but not the best in this segment. Because if you compare it with the premium H7 model, now that offers almost up to like 40 hours of battery life. So if you look at that, this feels slightly a bit less. Well, that's it boys, our video on Sony's all new Inzone H5. If you're looking for a premium grade wireless gaming headphones without actually spending a lot, you can definitely have a look at this model. They offer a premium look and feel, are actually quite comfortable and lightweight, plus they are like multi-platform compatible. You can use it on your Windows PC, PS5, or even in wired mode as well. And not to miss out, 360 spatial sound support. Only thing if I had to nitpick is these headphones do not have Bluetooth connectivity like the premium higher end variants. Apart from that, everything else was fine. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. They cost around like 14-15,000 rupees. And if you all enjoyed watching this video and got complete information, make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you all in my next one.